Functions of a secretary. The first function is correspondence, means communication. So secretary looks after the inward and outward mail, all those emails which are coming to the company, and all those mails which the company has to send, that work is to be done by the secretary. Then replying to inquiries from outsiders, government department and other stakeholders. So here you require special skill set also to communicate. So secretary looks after various records of the organization which will help them for the correspondence work. Then next is office management, means administrative work. Secretary has to guide, supervise and control the office staff for the smooth functioning of the company. So here secretary will do various activities. They will guide, they will advise supervisors, and accordingly the supervisors, or we can say the superiors, can take business decisions. They help in proper functioning of the company. They try to make proper communication between the top level management and bottom level management or staff. All this work are done by the secretary. Then reception work. A personal secretary attends to telephone calls and visitors, attend to inquiries, fixing appointments, etc. So this type of work is usually done by personal secretary on behalf of their employers. Then next is financial functions. Secretary handles the banking transactions and maintains proper books of accounts. So secretary needs to keep all the details about the income or revenues or payments done by the business, and need to provide all the financial information to their employer, management or any concerned authorities. Then arranging meetings. The secretary also arranges general meetings, meetings of the board and managing committee meetings as per the provisions of the act. So they will also arrange the meeting as per the act, as per the law. Then secretary draft notices. They will create notice, they will inform about agenda and also minutes of the meeting. Then next is statutory function, means all those functions where law comes into the picture. So this secretary also has to comply with Income Tax Act, Stamp Act, Shop Act, Goods and Service Tax, etc. So they will see whether all the provisions are being properly followed or not by the organization or even by the individual. Then next is assistance in formulating policies. This secretary has to collect statistical data and information. This information assists the management in formulating policies. So management requires certain data which will help them to grow their businesses or to understand the market in detail. So the secretary is given the task to collect all the data, and accordingly those data or those information will help them to formulate certain policies about the company. In providing information, now the secretary needs to provide correct and accurate information to the various departments or concerned authorities in the organization. So secretary provides relevant information to management about the working of the organization, banks, government departments, shareholders and employees. So all the informations as per the matter of interest of this concerned people or authorities are provided by the secretary. Then administrative functions. Here secretary performs administrative functions like assisting in appointing employees, distribution of office work, supervision, training, promotion. Secretary maintains all statutory books under proper custody. So these are the functions of a secretary.